Welcome. If you are wondering if the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G from the European distribution has a factory installed screen protection, we'll quickly check it in this video. So let me just zoom in a little bit closer to show you how the display looks. And unfortunately, we don't have here any protection on the screen. There's no tempered glass, there is no foil. There is a foil, but on the edges right here. So yeah, here we can find some kind of the protection, but on the screen you cannot find here anything, as you can see. There's no glass, there's no foil. So if you want to protect your smartphone, definitely I can recommend you to apply here some kind of the foil or glass, whatever you want. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.